Wagwan people, wagwan. Let me just put this out there quick and fast. Any video, including this one, that I'm going to review now, break down now, react to now, never seen them before. I do not watch the videos before I react to it. So what you are getting is my 100% honest opinion, honest reaction. Okay? I'm not asking you to agree with everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing on this channel. All I'm asking you to do is respect my opinion, okay? Respect my opinion just like how I respect yours, okay? So I just wanted to get that out of the way. You don't have to respect me. Respect my opinion because everybody is entitled to their own opinion, all right? So let's jump into the video and enjoy it, all right? Peace. Aye. Wagwan fam. Hope you're doing all right. I know it's been a long time. Not really. But be grateful despite. Yeah. What I did. You know it's your boy JAMAICA'S here with another energy. Pack video. So today we are react to 𝐉𝐀𝐿's Obsession. 𝐉𝐀𝐿's Obsession. I don't know who this artist is. Once again, shout out to my source. Well, it's linked me and say, yo, react to that one. And I say, all right, no problem. Big up everybody who subscribe to the channel. Big up the new subscribers, them also. Really appreciate you guys. So we're going to jump into that one here. And make sure you like before you watch. Golden rule. Like before you watch. Golden rule. Alright? Yeah. When you go to school, remember the golden rule. So like before you watch. So today, this is how we're on. See? Link up TV. Big up yourself for that one here. For that video here. Never watch it. So I could just jump straight tonight and see what's going on. Let's go. 𝐉𝐀𝐿's Obsession.
Just tell me what you need. Just tell me what you need. Just tell me.
This seems like it's gonna be a touching one. I don't know. Is it a touching track? I don't know. Let's see what I go on for that one.
This is that 𝐉𝐀𝐿 shit. Yeah. Tell me what you need. Tell me how you feel.
He started off in a what kind of, this is not hospital. Oh, look like his mother wake him up before she go work. His mom is waking him up because that was his mom just coming a while ago, wake him up before she go work. Okay, let's go.
I put my name on it. Yeah. It's 𝐉𝐀𝐿 with cocaine on it. I'm too hot, I put the flame on it.
So this look like the mother living on council block and she come out of gas school with her son and the thugs them outside. You know, they shatter them outside. I think I can kind of predict which other video are going on. The son are gonna get mixed up in a foolishness. Bet you. Make we see. Either I'm gonna get mixed up or him gonna wall out and know the thing. You understand? Alright, let's go.
I hope these bullets don't rain on me. Somebody please pray for me. I hope my sins are forgiven and washed away from me.
Police run them down. Police are come run. Hey, take offense with a speed like lightning. Siren frightening. Run. Police are come. So you know when they on the black, police are go always forward up on you. So the man them little man them a go to school. Police pull up, the thugs them run, them drop them thing, and them a cut. This is what we see so far. Lighter! Good creativity. Like it. Let's go.
Every time there's a murder, they put the blame on me.
Yeah.
I put the wave to the game and they put the pain on me.
So every time something happen at the neighborhood, I meet them a call. My name is known to the police. My name is known to the police. When the police them drive past me, then go say, yo, and put up them finger and say, alright, mate! Me not alright in a go. When I try to have man as informer, when I do go, man. But alright, mate, a go.
Even if I quit, it couldn't take this lane from me. What? Somebody please say something. I took an L in the game and I put my face on it. You niggas catching the L and you run away from it.
The OG, them are gonna rate him after that move here. You see him though? Him take up the thing, him never give it to him mother, him bring it back, okay, the OG, them and say, yo, dog, you drop this, you know. You drop this, you know, brother. Loyalty move, you don't know. Code, system code, you can't, lighter! System code, you can't read it too. You know? No snitching in the system. Let's go.
When comes, you can't escape from it. R.I.P. to my father, I got my game from him. Cartier frames on me. 2020, my vision, no need to strain on it.
3 years later, the dog is older. That's him, he's older. 3 years later, remember? Him give back the man them thing with the police, when them dropping them, say the police never find it. 3 years later now, let's see.
I told my niggas don't change on me. Just let me get through the doors. Please wait on me.
Wow, okay. 3 years later, the same youth upon the block again. The same police them find something again upon him. Now you not learn. See there? Wait there. See it here? Them find something again upon him. Him not learn. Him not learning. You're upon the same block with the same police. You need to cut your ear too. You need to look junk crow. You need to trim on your ear and look presentable. I got report you. One badge number 1753 and 2318. I got report to no. Although nothing never come of police complaint. Nothing never come of it. Cause the police here report to. Police here report to dog. Nothing never come of that. Then wicked boy, yeah.
All this weight on my shoulder is getting heavy on me. Niggas say they want me, so I keep the semi on me. That's my nigga Al Pacino with the skelly on him.
So I say, yo, niggas that say them want to kill him. Some have him semi-automatic pan him rifle, him gun, no, not him rifle, him gun, him pistol. Him have it pan him, so any boy run up, I get blown up. Know yourself. Lighter. Let it.
5 chains around my neck, they looking heavy on me. 20 stacks in my jeans, I keep the belly on me.
5 chain around him neck, he look heavy pan him. 20 stacks in him jeans, and keep your belly pan him. Wrong move though. You can't be on the road and a hustle and have 20 grand pan your brother. Your whole belly, your whole savings you have pan your whole dividend, your whole bing, your whole wanga. No brother, you feel lock that summer dog. Nothing I want girl you do. Better you make your mother lock it. Better you hide it in your mother's suitcase or something. Hide it brother in case something happen to you, your mother have it to spend. You see me? If she not spend it, she go bring it back. No, she shall go give it to you when you come out of prison. Don't bring it to no girl yard. These hoes ain't loyal. No. They may take it and go where the big shopping center land name? Westfield. They will take it and go Westfield. These hoes ain't loyal. Lord.
In the kitchen, looking loaded, making bread, homie. My mother keeps praying for me. Crying, saying don't go away from me. If I go, pearly gates for me. With all the sins and the stains on me.
They know say there's nothing like a mother's prayer. Him say mother keep praying for him. Mother keep praying for him. Say please dog, just stop what you do. God just watch over this boy, you know. Watch over this tough-head boy, this hardest boy, because he's not hearing when time I talk to him, Lord. Please me, I beg you, Lord, in the name of the Lord, I'm begging you watch over this one. This one is a troublemaker, but I'm his son, I still love him. God just show him the light and show him the way. In the name of Jesus, amen. That's what I'm saying, mother say. Big up mommy. Don't know mommy prayer the best prayer.
Would I make it to the gate, mommy? Would I? You see this look on my face, mommy? Would I? It means you didn't raise no dummy. Nah. I told her don't worry. I'm fucking bitches and I'm getting money.
Oh God, this are the worst time for them now. This are the worst time. This are the worst time. Them in a them house, them in a the flat or whatever. Them dice up them things fake goat back on the black go try and make a food. Here comes the dirty, greedy police them again. Them police look crooked, you know. Them police are crook. Them police look like a thief. Them police look like a scammer. Them police look like them not have no abiding city. One guy got an hungry belly police them. Them police here look like say them are gonna take the thing and put it in them pocket. I never watch this video yet, so let's see what happened, man.
Why the fuck should I give a fuck if niggas hating on me? I build my shit from the ground up so they can't take it from me. I say I'm too legit to quit, I got it tatted on me.
So that's how I go on. 3 years later, the same look you where did I go to school when mother did I protect him from Wagwan. Him in the game now, and police just raid the flat. See the council black there? Police just raid it. Wow, okay.
I catch a case and I be it, they getting tired of me. They try slap 35 on me. And I ain't even 35, homie.
His mother is not impressed, first of all. His mother is not impressed. Let's get that out there. No matter how I pray for this boy, this yammed boy, this toughed boy, look what happened now. Him bring police coming to the house now. Come dig up my house, people. You see what go on now? Jesus, you can't make him see the light. Also, the judge want to give him 35 years. 35 years, people. It's not a joke out here. 35 years. And the man said, I'm not even 35, dog. How am I going to manage this, brother? How am I get 35 and I'm not 35? This not make no sense.
Told the judge I ain't guilty, so take time on me. I told you niggas from day, I put my name on it. 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐿 with cocaine on it. I'm too hard, put the flame on it. I hope these bullets don't rain on me.
See what I got now? Him out there. Him out there doing thing. While you look at the bigger head them there in the house, I direct him and tell him what to do. And them thing I go on in real life, you know. The older heads, them I use the youngers to do them dirty work. It's a shame really. But it's just the life. The life, you know what I mean?
Somebody please pray for me. Pray for me.
The rubber shop, huh? What do rubber shop? Oh, so somebody in the shop, yeah? The man them walk past and see. I don't know if it's the ups or what in the shop. Man them walk past and see what go on. Make you see what go take place now, no? Oh! Whoa! Him know them youth here. See it flash back there? Him know the youth them. Oh, you remember me, boy? You remember me? See the same youth there? See there with the thing over my head in the background? The same youth here. Oh! In one car, I drive past and hear the man say, yo, what go on? Like, them know him, you see me? So obviously, them youth are bad minding because him are making money. You see, I'm telling you, no, FRIEND, you know, remember, say him stop and hear them youth here, no? Him stop and say hello to them youth here. I know them youth here. I plan for robbing me now, dog. Them I walk past the shop and see him half license grocery top tobacco. Whoa! Blood him up in a dog. Yo, they mash him up, you know? You see it? They mash him up. It a go fall back down to his mother, you know. Bet you. Cause no matter what, mommy I go always in the fear, dog. Watch it.
Somebody please pray for me. I hope my sins are forgiven and washed away from me. Every time there's a murder, they put the blame on me. I put the waves to the game and they put the pain on me.
I'm going to the house with the mother and unruly pitney. In Jamaica, we say unruly pitney do the little. Them not listen. Them not listen. So them get less food. So that means say when them do it little than everybody else because you not eat nothing for do or nothing. Unruly pitney do little. You know, no, hey boy, you not listen.
Even if I quit, it couldn't take this lane from me.
Yo, this how I'm not like with them youth. Everything them put on social media. You see when do a while ago, him take a picture of the man Rolex with him thief and have it on him phone. That is evidence against you, brother. That's a number one. You don't send around stuff like that. You're snitching on yourself. You tell by yourself. Like, them gangster your dog.
Name on it. 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐿 with cocaine on it.
Him just get the news a while ago. What really just go on with him bridging? Him just get the real news a while ago. What really just go on with him younger, we outside. You understand? Him just get the news. He's mad.
Somebody please pray for me. Every time there's a murder, they put the blame on me. Even if I quit, it couldn't take this lane from me.
Real talk, a real life stuff the man I show you now. Real life stuff the man I show you what really go on in a real life. But that the man I show you, dog. Them things you go on in a real life. So young kids, make sure you stay in school here, man. Cause you see what I go on. You see me? This is like a movie. That is like a short movie. Me like it, man.
I'm too hard, put the flame on it. I hope these bullets don't rain on me.
Yo, London pretty, no? London pretty, dog. London pretty. Okay, remember documentary out as well. You no can't see it, but me can't see it. Big up Link Up TV. Yo, big up Link Up TV for the visual. See this, big up yourself. Nice track. Nice eye-opening track. These are stuff that's going on in the world nowadays. The kids, parents, make sure say on know what the kids up to. Make sure say on try on the best to take on the kids away from these gang related stuff that's going on, man. Like, me not preach to no parents, but please just try and do the best. Like, you see me, it's hard, me know. Nice track. Light off of that track here. Nice track. Me like that track here. CBs, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself. First I hear your name, dog. Big up yourself. I'm sure you are a big artist. But the first, me personally, I hear your name. You don't know. Big up yourself, dog. Yeah, man, in my views, man. You see me? Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, see it ya. Me ask you one report. See it ya. Jamaica Worst Game and Reacts. Guys, support the channel, guys. I really appreciate the support that I've been getting. But you know, we need more support. Let's blow this thing out of the way. Also, please let me know if you don't want to see me do a dancehall track. Let me know and break it down in English. You understand? Yeah. Nice track. I like them. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Leave in the comment section what you want me react to as well. Storms, we still wait for your brother. I not stop say that. I still wait for your brother. Still wait for your dog. Big up yourself, Storms. What time is it? Time for leave, man. Peace.